Kitchen. How's everybody doing today? Today we're going to be fixing lime cilantro rice in the Instant Pot. So, let's get started. I am using parboiled rice. If you use parboiled, you do not have to rinse your rice. If you use regular long grain, you do need to rinse it until it runs clear. Now I'm using 2 cups of rice, 3 cups of water, I'm going to put some salt in here. I'm also going to put a little bit of lime zest in here. Smells good. Now the cilantro, of course, isn't going to go in until it's done. But I am going to put some lime zest and lime juice in it. Some people don't put zest in it. That gives it another, dimension of flavor. And I'm going to use the zest of this whole lime because it's a little lime. Let me get it spoon. I never seem to have it all together, do I? Now I'm just going to mix this up a little bit. Put the lid on it. Make sure it's to vent. And here I'm just going to turn it on rice. And whenever it's done, we're going to do a quick release. So we'll bring you back when this is done. Alright guys. Our rice is done. I'm going to stir it up a little bit. What I've got here is I've got some cilantro, but it's called Gourmet Garden. It's partially dried, but it's still fresh. So I'm going to add some of this to our rice. Make a mess. And all that is according to taste. Smells good. Now I'm just going to serve it up. Alright guys, our cilantro lime rice is ready. I want to thank y'all for joining me. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Love to have you in the family. And when you do, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Leave me a comment, a big thumbs up, and share this out on your social media. Alright guys, see y'all later. Bye.